Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at Ethereum and whether we're really about to start to see like the kickoff of a much stronger season for altcoins. Before we begin the video, if you could like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, and also a link to our website where you can find out more of information about the services we offer, and also the verified results from our premium signals group. So you may have seen a lot of people this week talking about how Ethereum is stronger than Bitcoin, and we've seen various altcoins start to make strong moves. So first of all, it's important to understand why this is happening, and if you follow me on Twitter, then you would likely have seen this chart I've posted a couple of times. There's a couple of reasons behind this. So the first of all, here we have the total 2 market cap, which is the market cap excluding Bitcoin, and this index is really gives really clean levels, so it's a really good one to keep an eye on for trades. We can see how we just kind of moved in a range here, broke above, held this range. In the last couple of days we have broke above this range, so this is kind of showing that there's strength in altcoins, and so far this has been back tested and held, so a good chance that we can see a push up in the coming days. And to give further confluence to that is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we've just seen yesterday we confirmed that we lost this support. So this is kind of a really key level that we've had since early November. We had resistance and we broke above, and we saw Bitcoin was kind of outperforming everything. All the moves were happening within Bitcoin, and the dominance yesterday confirmed a loss of this support, and so far today this has been back tested now as resistance. So if this continues to hold and we close another day below, then likely we can see a further drop in Bitcoin dominance, which again is good for altcoins. So as this chart was to move up, you would likely see this go down. And of course Ethereum is the leading altcoin, so after Bitcoin it's Ethereum, so that is the one that you'll most likely start to see the moves from first, and the money will rotate into that. Now there are early signs again that is happening. So if we look at up here, we've got the Ethereum chart. This is just the hourly chart, and below we've got the Bitcoin chart. And on Wednesday we had the strong move up from Bitcoin here, and we can see how since this breakout Bitcoin has literally been so choppy, just a complete sideways move, but we've actually seen a strong uptrend in Ethereum during this time. So Ethereum right now is much stronger than Bitcoin, but that's only in the short term. So it is important that we take a look at a longer term chart. So this is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart on the weekly time frame, and we're still only just hovering around these lows here. This runs back to like mid-April, so before the previous bull run really. We've just been in this range and we're just holding these lows, so this is still a really key level to hold. So there's no kind of signal that there's a big reversal. Yes, in the last couple of days Bitcoin's been outperforming, but this trend has not been broken yet. And if we look here, we can see a really clear downtrend running from Q3 2022. So still in a very bearish trend for Ethereum's performance against Bitcoin. Only once this downtrend is flipped would I have more confidence that actually Ethereum is now going to outperform. Until this happens, you still have to be very careful, in my opinion. If we look at the Ethereum chart itself, we can see, however, that we have just broken above kind of a key level, this 2,150 level on the weekly time frame here. We've had all this sort of sideways movement below really. We have just confirmed broke out 2 weeks ago, and so far this is holding as support. So this is a good sign for the medium term. As long as this support holds 2,150, each weekly candle closes above that, then we can start to see a push up. Of course, if we start to accept back under, then we can look for moves down towards the lower 2000 level or even lower. But all the time that this holds, then we could perhaps see a push up. First of all, it's the $2,500 level, which everyone is talking about, which is a really key level for Ethereum, something around here. So that would kind of only see like a 8%, 9% move from where we are now. But 2,500 is a really psychological level, and that's the level that you really want to see flipped. If we flip 2,500, then we're looking to target up towards 3,500 next, and we could likely see this start to develop as a range. So if we flip that, something like that, and then obviously in the longer term, into the bull run, everyone's looking for a flip of $5,000. We didn't quite reach it. The previous all-time high, it just fell short of 5,000. So that's the obvious sort of medium to longer term target for Ethereum. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and just want to make you aware that the trend of Ethereum Bitcoin hasn't yet been broken. So there's no signal of continued strength at the moment. Let me know your thoughts on Ethereum in the comments. Are you holding, and what your medium and long term price targets are? And I will see you on the next video.